Remember when you were young, you shone like the sun. Shine on, you crazy diamond. Now there's a look in your eye like black holes in the sky. Shine on, you crazy diamond. You were caught in a crossfire of childhood and stardom, blown on the steel breeze. Come on, you target for faraway laughter. Come on, you stranger, you legend, you martyr, and shine. Eh. All right, let's what are we doing here? Do you want to announce the show, or should we just let's just jam and we'll announce it, afterwards. Okay. How about, let me think. Oh, I don't know. How about Ooh Child? Oh yeah, that's a good one. Okay. BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and on the guitar, Natasha. Oh, that was really pretty, sweetie. Oh, thank you so much. And today, we get up just early and film these, We get up before the Mooka'am sunrise. And, the elders, they tell us it is very good to get up early. There was an old saying, they'd say, early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Do you believe that? Well, that's what they say, You should think about it. Get out there. Greet the sun. Say, bonjour, Jesus. Hello, sun. You can put out your tobacco. You can offer some tobacco to the spirits of the east. Get out there and say, Odapanan niwia sema. Manadugo Wede, Wabanung, Wabanung, East. And, it's just a good way to live, I guess. I don't know. You got anything you want to add to this, sweetie? Oh, I don't know. I think that's good. Mooka'am, sunrise. Yeah, Mooka'am, the sunrise. All right. Well, hey, let's call that a show. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, Natasha Owe. This is Natasha, and I will see you again. Iga wabamin, menawa, hoa. Yeah, good enough, eh?